Okay, I'm Jed Gamer, and I'm going to be doing a arena battle with the SWAT guy, Boom Kraken. Jump away. So first thing I might want to do is go to the arena. I'm doing, and I was thinking of Beware of the Bird. It was either Beware of the Bird or Shellshock's Curse. But Shellshock's Curse is cursed, and I do not like cursed arenas at all. So that kind of knocks out Pokey Spikes and Shellshock's Curse. And Mason Charge was gonna be in this video, but he got sick. So,
Beware of the bird. Survival. Ready. 3.
Beware of the bird.
Fight.
I haven't really gotten Boom Kraken leveled up. Remember in the last video, I said that I just got Boom Jet and I'm going to be using him. So I'm using his top half right now. Like just his top half. Yay! Beating up enemies. Now the last video was 3 arenas and it was 18 minutes long. So, oh my, I'm doing terrible right now. I don't know like why I'm doing so bad. And oh yeah, my super jump, and I've also got this thing. I really need the 3-piece. I really need some help. Luckily the food thief's gonna be there soon. Yay! Oh, after the bird attack. And the bird is kind of going crazy. It's trying to beat me. And I don't know why he's doing so crazy and trying to beat Boom Kraken. Because what did I ever do to him? I'm gonna save finally. He escaped. He's gonna. So close.
Stage 2.
I don't know what stage the food and I just kind of say, okay, if I make it stage, I'm gonna be full health for the next. Whoa, I just occupied that. Constipated raccoons. Constipated raccoons. Oh, that's why I'm losing big time. I'm not using my airstrike. Bang! So I gotta, my trick is to knock him down and airstrike and help from the skies. I need help from the skies. Knock him out. Now help from the skies. Help from the skies, help from the skies. surprises, like, you know, a good attack. I gotta start, like, beating up these enemies faster. I'm not really doing too well.
Only a few enemies left.
Bang, bang. And what mode am I on? Okay, good. Oh god, I hate these guys. Beat them up, beat them up. Oh my god! That is like, I remember that when I did the Chaos level on Nightmare, it beat me up. Oh Jesus.
Bird attack.
Ah, god. I chose this because I just like felt like a random arena. Why does this always have to happen? Like, I do really good on some areas, but on others I like fuck it up. I'm doing terrible right now. Yeah. Really, this nation card was with me. Yeah. If there's another... Getting really mad at this. It's stupid. I'm like, not gonna do another arena like this again. Well, I am gonna do, like, more battle areas, but... Oh, finally! I'm done. Jeez.
Bonus stage. Stop the food thief before he escapes.
Alright. And finally got this stupid freaking. Now that I'm calmed down.
Stage.
Kraken. I haven't really done a lot of swaps in my videos lately. I don't do like all the swaps possible. Like, I'm just having a blame real really like swaps. I pretty like them a lot. I like them pretty much. I really like swaps though. I do. I really do like swaps pretty much. Yeah. I still like them. That's why I'm playing with the swap guy right now. I really need to get like those, like an achievement for making all the swaps. All the swaps. Yeah, all the swaps. Swapability. Oh, no, you're not doing this again. You're not doing this again. I actually did good against the Tekira! Stupid Tekira. Hey, throw him in a pot. Yes! Yes, double up, please. Not another one. Ow! Take their machine guns. Haha, while you're going firing quickly at the wall, I'm gonna go buy an ice, go buy an ice, go buy an ice, go buy an ice, go buy an ice. I am going to the buy an ice, evil guy. It's like taking so long. It's one arena. So I was watching my other video, but it's taking long for one arena. Okay. more. Oh god. Almost done with the stage. Alright, little birdie. We've been doing a lot of boss tournaments lately. Like, before we did Snake in the Hole, and now we're doing the Beware of the Bird. So I might do like a level walkthrough next. Yes! Next, he's gonna die. He's gonna die next. And congratulations. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get it. Oh, so make sure you like this video and hope you liked it, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. We are done for now.